Deputy Majority Floor Leader Sandro Marcos has kept mum in the face of the videos produced by former lawmaker in hiding Zaldico, tagging the president and ex-speaker Martin Romualdez as the biggest personalities in the flood control mess. But the latest Zaldico video declaration, arguably produced with AI technology, drags him into the budget insertion scam. Armela Las Moras on Representative Sandro Marcos's counter in this report.
Not a revelation but destabilization. This is how House Majority Leader Sandro Marcos described the new video released by former Ako Bicol Party List Representative Zaldico, which even implicates him in the alleged insertions in the national budget. According to Congressman Marcos, anyone can make a video, but Co's statements are clearly lies, even calling him the newly crowned champion of the DDS. The congressman reminded the public that Co has no credibility and only wants to disrupt the government. The majority leader further stressed, "Don't be fooled, especially since Co is merely evading justice." The Makabayan Bloc, for its part, has already filed a resolution in the House to investigate Co's accusations.
Ang mga aligasyon ni Representative Zaldico ay kailangan niyang ihayag ng buong katotohanan at syempre ng buo at hindi selective. Ito rin yung ating imbitasyon sa ibang mga resource persons na iniimbitahan natin sa resolusyon na ito na magpakita, mag-oath at ikwento ang alam nila sa taong bayan.
However, there is also circulating information online that Co's videos may have been produced using artificial intelligence or AI. But former Justice Secretary and now ML Party List Representative Laila De Lima insisted that it would just be better for the former congressman to simply return home and submit his sworn statements.
Hindi po natin alam eh. Kaya kailangan talaga in person, kailangan ay gawin ito sa tamang forum or fora, sa tamang proseso na under oath. Hindi po pwede yung mga ganyan na mga video-video lang.
Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.